Eat it up, my selector.
Mama cry, mama cry. Was just another suburban evening when I read my newspaper. It was a news about another kid, a youth named Damiola. He had his life in front of him, so much things that he could do. Oh my Lord, what a terrible thing. That's why we call his name to you. Damiola, Damiola, oh, Damiola. Another youth man has gone. Oh, yeah. Please tell me what's wrong with the youths of today. I remember when we all used to run around and play. Then mama would call out loud, say, you boys come and get your dinner. And then we would tell our friends goodbye, see you all tomorrow. It was just another suburban evening when I read my newspaper. It was a news about another killing, a youth named Damiola. Damiola, Damiola. And the youth man has gone. Oh yeah, Damiola. Mama cry, mama cry. Mama cry. Who is putting all those gangster movies on the TV? And when the little children, they see them, they try to copy. Why does it take an innocent one for us to realize? This is the time when we've got to be wise and open our eyes. Damiola, oh yeah, Damiola. Another youth man has gone. Yeah, oh Lord. It was just another suburban evening when I read my newspaper. It was a news about another youth named Damiola. He had his life in front of him, and so much things that he could do. Oh my Lord, what a terrible thing. That's why we call his name to you. Damiola, oh yeah, Damiola. Another youth man has gone. Damiola, Damiola. Please tell me what's wrong with the youths of today. I remember when we all used to run around and play. Then mama would call out loud saying, you boys come and get your dinner. Then we would tell our friends goodbye, see you all tomorrow.